Hi friends. Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a very special year for Rotary, which is also called as the Vision Year. In this year, we have started a novel concept called as BizBiz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. And I, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in 2021, would be your host for the day. Friends, the BizBiz Talk Show is a hot from oven initiative, brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra, to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary and professional front. In these interviews, we will speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. Friends, today we have a very special guest, a Rotarian with more than 30 years of Rotary background, a Rotarian with experience of being a member of one of the one of the most premier clubs of District 3141, and that is Rotary Club of Devnar. Yes, friends, we have with us Commander Jana. By classification, friends, he is into supply and erection of false flooring and false ceiling. He is physically active, always likes to be smartly attired due to his Fauji background, ever ready to participate in any club project with 100% attendance. A major role played in erecting Dharti Ke Lal in Thane and making it visible in all functions by bringing it uniform personnel. So friends, he is the architect behind the Dharti Ke Lal project in Thane. Currently, he speaks about armed forces in various youth forums, and he wants more and more people to join the armed forces. Friends, in the year 2021, a special avenue has been created for Commander Jana, and that avenue is going to be taking care of armed forces, and Commander Jana would be the district project director for this armed forces avenue. So friends, with this small introduction, I present before you our very respected Rotarian Commander Jana.
Thank you, Manish. Good afternoon.
Thank you, Commander. And I would like to ask you a few questions regarding your personal, Rotary and professional life. With your consent, may I move ahead?
Well, Manish, a Fauji is always a Fauji. They are not Fauji by birth. They are made to be Fauji by special training. They are meant to be ready at any moment notice. I've been very active from the very childhood, and I always used to take part everywhere. Whatever is happening, I used to poke my nose there. And I had been such active in schools, in colleges, everywhere. Athletics, bodybuilding, boxing, gymnastics, all kind of extracurricular activities like flying Tiger Moth vintage, World War II vintage aircraft, NCC, gymnastic, all kind of extracurricular activities were my most interesting part. Studies used to always take a second bench. And that's how the thing started. And I used to love sports. All sportsmen and sportswomen, I really love them. I like them. I have to support them always. This is as for my personal character concerns. When I get to my educational part, I did my electrical engineering just after passing out my BSc honors with physics way back in the year 1965. After that, I did my postgraduate diploma in management studies in Somaya Institute. That was while in the Navy itself. That's the education part goes. Just after passing out from my engineering college, I was called for the Navy. I joined in the Navy.
Commander Jana, it's so nice to know so much about you on your personal front. Commander Jana, can we all know something about your work and profession, what it was earlier and what do you do now?
Well, professionally, as soon as I passed out from engineering college, I joined in the Indian Navy, and Navy has selected me for learning the anti-submarine warfare. So I became an expert on anti-submarine warfare on the Soviet Petya class ships. Then again, I was selected for submarine arms, and I became expertised on diesel electric submarines from the Soviet Union. After continuing in the Navy, certainly was lucky enough to get a chance to opportunity to get part in the Indo-Pakistan War in 1971, where I took active part in eastern side as well as western side, both the fronts. And there, I, by virtue of my participation in various activities of war, I was awarded quite a few medals also. Then, after about 22 years of active service, I left, took a premature retirement from the Navy and started my own business, false flooring and false ceiling in all industrial control rooms all over the country. That I continued for another 22 years. After 44 years of work, I thought enough is enough. Let me do something else for the others. So I decided to do social work for next 22 years. After 66 years, when I reach the right age of 90 years, I'll think about the next course of action later on. That is my professional work.
Fantastic, Commander Jana. Your life has been so straight, so clear, and you know what you have been doing and what you wanted, and you've achieved everything. But to those people who are listening to you, which are going to be presidents, incoming presidents, outgoing presidents, all Rotarians, and even non-Rotarians, you can be really a source of inspiration how a person is supposed to lead his life, maintain his hobbies, maintain his family well, still take care of all what he has to do for the nation, for himself, for the family, for the country. It is just commendable whatever you have been doing so far, and the clarity of thought speaks volumes about the type of person you are. Commander Jana, as I just said that your work, the passion with which you have worked can be a source of inspiration to many. But similarly, you know that you are the district project director for Avenue Armed Forces. And we had a talk the other day with you, and I also said, ask Sri Gopal Pachisia ji to get in touch with you regarding how we can promote armed forces or entering into armed forces amongst all our Indians. So can you tell us what are your plans for this avenue in the time to come?
Well, there are two ways to look at it. One is that Rotary and me. Rotary has to support me and I have to support Rotary. The question is that Rotary International is a very large, powerful organization with a long reach. With the enormous power of Rotary, I can reach to hundreds and millions of youth in the country. And with the help, once I reach these millions of the youths in the country, I can educate them, tell them about the past history of our country, the valor of our Veer Rajas and Maharajas, how they sacrificed their life for the sake of the country. And then I tell them about this more than 15 lakh armed forces brothers and sisters those who are guarding our country, how they are working selflessly without thinking about their comfort, without thinking of their personal interest, their family's interest. Solely they are dedicated their life for the country's sake. That is the thing I want to tell these youth and create an awareness among them and let them and make them love the uniformed services, let them love the armed forces. Once they can love the armed forces, they can love their country, they can become patriotic and become good citizens of the country. That is my way of looking at this and taking advantage of Rotary's opportunity to meet the people. Recently, one gentleman called Mr. Pachisia rang me up. Through Rotary, he got my information.
I had told him, Commander Jan, I had told him to speak to you.
Okay, so he told me that he has got millions of children available. He wants to make them patriotic. I said, well, I will join hand with you. I'll help you out. And we'll go together. And maybe I can talk to them about the sacrifice the armed forces people have made. That kind of feeling, that kind of stories will possibly create some kind of feeling in their mind also to do the similar kind of thing. And they will love the country, they will join the country, they will become patriotic.
Fantastic. Commander Jana, this is what Rotary is. We have got so many resourceful people, and I being the chief coordinator or DG Sunil being the governor, our responsibility is only to ensure that the two resources meet each other. Once the two resources meet each other, we can really create anything and everything that we wish to create on. And Rotarians are there to support out of the way to ensure that our purpose of being in Rotary, that is service to mankind, never fails. Commander Jana, your talk has been very inspirational. You have been very motivating, and whatever you have said dil se, and your love for your country and your love for armed forces is seen by everyone. I would like to sincerely thank you for your presence today on this forum. Through this forum, we have been able to convey to millions, hundreds and thousands and millions of people about what you can do to change their lives and what those people can do to change the future of the country. So I'm extremely thankful to you that you have accepted our invitation and come to this talk show and spoke a few knowledgeable words about how we can play a catalyst and bring about a change in the country. Thank you so much, Commander Jana, for your presence here. I really sincerely appreciate your presence today.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you so much.
Thank you.